Hey guys, welcome to the support portal on this platform. I want to take a couple minutes just showing you what all you can do here and also how you can find quick resources for what issues that you're facing. So first things first, if you need direct support, right below this video we have all of our support channels that are available. We've got email, phone, chat support, and we also have a support ticket system. So one of the fastest ways to get support is to submit a ticket. All you have to do is click this black button right here, and it'll open up a form for you to fill out to the best of your ability and just describe the issue that you're facing. You can also include a Loom video link. So Loom is an awesome little piece of software that can record your screen where you can show what's going on your platform. That way we can help you diagnose it and help get support faster. So be sure to include that in your support tickets. It's going to definitely help us out to figure out what's going on your platform if you need some kind of assistance. Now, on top of that, this is also your location to get training videos. We have a whole library that we have created of videos, such as how to get started quick on the platform, how to navigate, where to find things, how to set up your business, how to use the CRM, import contacts. We literally have videos for everything, such as the website and funnel builder training, showing you how to build a whole funnel, how to set up forms and things like that. We have a workflow training where we go through automation and how to automate your business and troubleshoot it and just get everything rolling correctly. We have calendar support, reviews, the chat widget, conversations, email marketing, and pipeline videos already created. So most likely your issue has already been addressed in the videos here. Be sure to take a look down here before submitting a support ticket because, like I said, most likely it's already been addressed and it's ready to go. You can just watch that video and it will show you exactly how to do it. So be sure to take advantage of all of that. We look forward to hearing from you and we look forward to your success.